Overnight into Wednesday morning, the cut of low pressure system developing behind a cold front, slowly moving eastwards over the central regions of the country on Wednesday and reaching the northeastern regions by Thursday. Now, with this cut of low pressure system, we are expecting a band of showers and thunderstorms overnight into Wednesday morning to stretch over parts of the northern and eastern Cape, slowly spreading eastwards over the Free State as well as the eastern Cape and part of northwest on Wednesday, and spreading over the northeastern regions, including parts of Gauteng and Limpopo on Thursday, where we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms. Then freezing levels also dropping low enough for a mixture of rain and snow, as well as GRAUPEL, which is kind of like a soft hailstone, to fall over parts of the northern Cape, as well as the central regions of the Free State. Some light snowfall over the northern highline regions of the eastern Cape, as well as around Lesotho. And then some weather models are still showing the likelihood of snow as far north as in Gauteng, part of northwest and Limpopo. Now, we're not expecting freezing levels to drop low enough for the snow to actually settle on the ground, and this might rather be a mixture of rain, hail and GRAUPEL. One thing is for sure, cold conditions will spread across the country the rest of this week. To here's your forecast. On Wednesday morning, a freezing cold morning expected over the western interior behind that cold front, with widespread light frost likely in parts of the northern and the western Cape, as well as around Lesotho, and widespread frost likely over the southern and central interior of Namibia. Into Wednesday, we are expecting that band of showers and thunderstorms early on Wednesday to move over parts of the northern and eastern Cape, slowly spreading eastwards throughout Wednesday and reaching parts of Gauteng as well as Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal into Wednesday evening, with snowfall likely, as mentioned, over the northern highlying regions in the eastern Cape and around Lesotho, as well as here over parts of the northern Cape. Isolated light showers likely for the coastal regions of KwaZulu-Natal as well as over the Highveld and eastern escarpment. And then morning light showers still likely in parts of the western and northern Cape. Taking a look at your winds for this Wednesday, we are expecting westerly to southwesterly winds to continue to blow fresh to strong behind that cold front along the southern and the eastern coastline. A fresh wind blowing over parts of the northern Cape as well as northwest, turning northwesterly and blowing fresh here over parts of the Bushveld, Gauteng as well as the Free State and the Highveld, with fresh winds blowing across Namibia. In the Western Cape, most of the rainy weather clearing up into the afternoon, but remaining quite chilly with maximum temperatures yet again only around 15 degrees Celsius. A cold morning at first over the interior of the Western Cape, where light frost is likely. Only 1 the morning in Robertson and Laingsburg. Westerly winds are blowing fresh to strong along the southern coastline, with temperatures yet again only in the mid-teens. And then that band of showers and thunderstorms stretching from early Wednesday morning over parts of the Eastern Cape, slowly spreading eastwards throughout the day, with much cooler conditions across the province. Temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius around the eastern escarpment and below 20 along the eastern coastline. A much cooler day expected in KwaZulu-Natal, with temperatures only in the mid-teens around Pietermaritzburg and around 20 in Ladysmith. Scattered showers will move in from the west into the afternoon over the western regions, as well as isolated showers along the coast and southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong. Partly cloudy skies expected over the Highveld, with temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius, and then into the evening a few light showers moving in from the west. In Limpopo, another lovely winter's afternoon with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, reaching 30 the afternoon in Messina and becoming windy into the afternoon in the Bushveld. In Northwest, we are expecting a band of showers and thunderstorms from early on Wednesday morning to move in from the west over the western regions. It will be much cooler in the west, with temperatures only around 10 degrees Celsius. Cooler conditions also moving in over the eastern regions, with only 16 in the afternoon in Ventersdorp and isolated light showers likely into the evening. Windy conditions expected over the extreme northeastern regions of Northwest. In the Northern Cape, a frosty morning at first over the southern interior with -4 in Sutherland, and then later we are expecting mostly dry conditions over the western regions, but remaining quite chilly with maximum temperatures only around 10 degrees Celsius, and that band of showers and thunderstorms from early on Wednesday morning moving over the eastern region, spreading further eastwards into the Free State throughout Wednesday. It will be a cold afternoon with wet conditions in the Free State. Only 11 in Bloemfontein, 18 in Bethlehem, and then the Weather Service is also warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, so please be careful. Scattered showers likely, as mentioned, throughout Wednesday. Then in Gauteng is still warming up with 22 the afternoon in Pretoria, 20 in Johannesburg, northwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh across the province. And then late on Wednesday evening, a few light showers can move over the southern regions, spreading over the northern regions into Thursday. Now on Thursday, we can see much cooler conditions spreading over the northeastern parts of the country. Temperatures now only in the mid-teens with scattered showers and thunderstorms likely in Gauteng as well as Limpopo and surrounding regions. Sunny skies returning to the west but remaining cold with only 14 in the afternoon in Sutherland. By Friday, we're expecting mostly dry conditions across the country, temperatures remaining below 20 degrees Celsius in most regions, with 19 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein as well as Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Wednesday and warm, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.